Hey guys, welcome to another Yeastar Workplace Tech Talk. I guess there's a feature that's commonly needed in the workplace when you cannot locate the specific meeting room resources that you need. For example, maybe you are the visitor of the company, or if you are just new to the building. Maybe, let's say you have too many meeting room resources. So all these scenarios, our feature Wayfinding can help you with that. In today's Tech Talk, I'm going to show you how does it work, how it looks like, and also how to configure your own Wayfinding feature in your building. So just follow me. Well, this is the new feature, the Yeastar Workplace Wayfinding. It allows you to locate the specific meeting room resources you are looking for. It tells the meeting room's topic and also the organizer information. More than that, simply just take a look. You will be able to find out the direction, also the distance of a specific meeting room. All the information are real-time based. That means if you and your colleagues make a change, make a new reservation, everything will pop up there immediately. Well, while we were talking about it, maybe you have noticed that my colleague Evan just made a reservation of a meeting room. So this is just one example because we have such a large screen, we will be able to use it. But not just this, alright? If you have any other devices like a TV screen, if you have, let's say, just a tablet, well, if you want to use it for this feature, that's available. The next step, I will show you how do we configure about this feature. As you can see, I already make a reservation about the workplace training. So it's in this way. Let's go upstairs together. Follow me. Let's check out together how to configure the Wayfinders for your own company. We'll simply log into your Yeastar Workplace management portal, then choose Wayfinding here. Click Add. It allows you to set up multiple Wayfinders according to the real case scenario. So first of all, enter your Wayfinder's name and choose the specific building or floors if you have multiple ones. Once you make your own selection, you will see the resources, the meeting room resources will pop up accordingly. Then under each meeting room, you will be able to set up the direction. Here we got multiple options. Just choose the one that fits the best. Then it will be the distance. Well, for example, 15 meters. After you configure for each one, just scroll down, you may notice there is a security code option. If you enable it, that means before you can access the Wayfinder, you have to enter the security code for verification. All right, let's just click Save. After that, you can see in this list, a URL will pop up. Well, the next step we need to do is just to find any devices you have that will be able to access the network. Then copy and paste this URL, you will be able to access this Wayfinder like the content we showed you previously, like this. Alright, and this is just one. So if you want to create multiple Wayfinders, let's say you have a very big company or you have a very wide floor in different locations, you want to set up different Wayfinders, that's also supported. Just create it one by one because you can see it's actually pretty easy. I guess that's pretty much of the content for today, and it's already available. So just log into your account and try it out today. Don't hesitate to do that. Also, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest information of Yeastar Workplace. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.